2 days after the anti-encroachment drive met with stiff resistance in New Friends Colony in South Delhi, bulldozers headed to demolish illegal encroachments in Southeast Delhi's Madanpur, Khadar and Prem Nagar area today met with the same fate. As soon as the drive began, locals started raising slogans against the Delhi police and the civic authorities. Soon after, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Amanatullah Khan reached the spot and asserted that he is ready to go to jail if that is what it takes to stop demolitions which are happening on the pretext of anti-encroachment drive. A clash ensued later between the local residents and the police following the protest, and to prevent the situation from deteriorating further, the MLA was detained by the police. The Aam Aadmi Party MLA was reportedly instrumental in stopping similar drive by the municipal authorities just a few days back in Shaheen Bagh in South Delhi. Over the last few days, the authorities in New Delhi have carried out similar anti-encroachment drives in various parts of the capital city, setting in motion a slew of protests by the local residents who have often accused these drives to be targeted and in fact to be a retaliatory measure.
क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको क्या कह रहे हैं किस आपको गिरफ्तार कर रहे हैं
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.